Kiris ke kiri kalispera. Today we have a Greek salad platter that goes great with beer and wine. And if you're a vegetarian, it's perfect for a meal. You'll need cucumbers, tomatoes, feta cheese, red onion, olives, salt, rigani, and olive oil. We'll need 2 tomatoes cut in half. From each tomato half, cut 4 wedges. Now let's begin by building our platter and placing the tomato wedges around the outside. I always try and get 2 big cucumbers, so I use 1.5. If they're small cucumbers, you'll use both of them. Now you start peeling the skin off the cucumber. As soon as you're done peeling, cut the cucumber into 3 even halves. Because my cucumbers are quite big, on the second cucumber, I'm going to use a bit less than half. We want to make cucumber sticks with each piece. Slice each piece in half lengthwise, and in each half, slice lengthwise to get 3 sticks. Take the cucumber sticks and place them in between the tomatoes. Put in 2 cucumber sticks in between each tomato. Now it's time for the feta cheese. Cut the feta into little cubes. Place the feta cubes in the middle. Now it's time for the olives. Place them around and on top of the feta. We'll need half a red onion, Slice it lengthwise in half. Start slicing the onion into thin pieces. Grab and separate the onion pieces. Sprinkle them on top. We add a nice big pinch of salt on the cucumbers, tomatoes, and feta. And now the olive oil. And now it's time for the oregano. Best of all, make sure you sprinkle it everywhere. And there you have it, a Greek salad platter, perfect for beer or wine. And if you're a vegetarian, it's a great meal. Και καλή σας όρεξη!